Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sticky English with John and Mateo. I'm John, your English teacher.
And I'm Mateo, your student, ready to learn more English today.
That's the spirit, Mateo. Today's lesson is about answering the phone and introducing yourself.
Oh, that's very useful. I always get nervous when I have to answer the phone in English.
Don't worry. After this episode, you will feel confident. We'll practice step by step. Greetings, numbers, days, objects, food and drinks, daily activities, all inside a phone conversation theme.
Cool, let's start.
When you answer the phone, the first thing you say is a greeting.
Like hello or good morning?
Exactly. Let's practice, everyone. Repeat after me. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Good. Now let's practice short phone greetings. Hello, this is John.
Hello, this is Mateo.
Nice. Let's make a short conversation. Hello, this is John.
Hi, John, this is Mateo. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks.
Perfect. That's a friendly phone start. Now, listeners, repeat with us. Hello, this is John. Hi, this is Mateo. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Hello, this is John. Hi, this is Mateo. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Excellent. You sound polite and friendly. Now, Mateo, what's something very important when you're on the phone?
Maybe numbers, like phone numbers.
Exactly. Let's practice numbers 1 to 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Now let's make it useful. What's your phone number, Mateo?
It's 555-2108.
Nice. Say it slowly.
555-2108.
Perfect. Now, listeners, repeat. What's your phone number? My number is 555-2108.
What's your phone number? My number is 555-2108.
Great. And don't forget, when saying numbers in English, speak slowly and clearly. Now, bigger numbers for practice. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Good job. Sometimes when you talk on the phone, you need to talk about days.
Yes, like when to call back or set an appointment.
Exactly. Let's review the days of the week. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Good. Now let's use them in sentences. Can I call you on Monday?
Sure, Monday is fine.
Can you work on Friday?
No, I'm busy on Friday. Maybe Saturday.
Great. Now everyone, repeat after us. Can I call you on Monday?
Sure, Monday is fine. Can you work on Friday? No, maybe Saturday.
Great. That's how you sound natural on the phone. Now, Mateo, what are some objects we use when we make a phone call?
A phone, of course. Maybe a charger or earphones?
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me, everyone. Phone, cell phone, charger, earphones, computer, table.
Phone, cell phone, charger, earphones, computer, table.
Perfect. Now let's make small sentences. I have a new phone.
My charger is on the table.
I use earphones for calls.
I talk on the phone every day.
Excellent. Now let's make a little conversation. Hey, Mateo, where is your phone?
It's on the table.
And where is your charger?
It's next to my computer.
Nice. Now everyone repeat. Where is your phone? It's on the table. Where is your charger? It's next to my computer.
Perfect pronunciation.
Now, sometimes when you get a phone call, you might be doing something, like eating or drinking.
Yes, like, wait, I'm having coffee.
Exactly. Let's learn some common words. Repeat after me. Coffee, tea, water, juice, sandwich, bread, rice.
Coffee, tea, water, juice, sandwich, bread, rice.
Good. Now let's practice in sentences. I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink water all day.
I eat a sandwich for lunch.
I like orange juice.
Perfect. Now let's imagine this short conversation. Hi, Mateo. What are you doing?
Hi, John. I'm drinking coffee.
Oh, me too. Coffee time.
Yes, always.
Now repeat, everyone. What are you doing?
I'm drinking coffee. Oh, me too.
Perfect. Now let's talk about daily activities. Things we do every day and that we might mention on the phone.
Like waking up, going to work, or cooking dinner.
Exactly. Repeat after me. Wake up, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, talk on the phone, watch TV, sleep.
Wake up, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, talk on the phone, watch TV, sleep.
Perfect. Now let's make small sentences. I wake up at 7.
I take a shower at 7:30.
I go to work at 8.
I talk on the phone at work.
I watch TV at night.
And I sleep at 10.
Perfect. Now a little phone conversation about daily life. Hi, Mateo. What are you doing today?
Hi, John. I'm working now. What about you?
I'm teaching English classes.
Nice. What time do you finish work?
At 5 o'clock.
Let's talk later then.
Sure. Now everyone repeat. What are you doing today?
I'm working. What time do you finish work?
At 5 o'clock.
Let's talk later.
Excellent. Now, Mateo, let's put everything together.
A full phone call in English?
Yes, let's do it slowly so our listeners can follow.
Hello, this is Mateo.
Hi, Mateo. This is John. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you busy right now?
A little. I'm having coffee.
Oh, sorry. I just wanted to ask, what day can we meet for class this week?
How about Thursday?
Thursday sounds good. At what time?
At 10 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll call you again on Wednesday to confirm.
Okay, great.
By the way, what's your new phone number?
It's 555-6029.
Got it. Thank you, Mateo.
You're welcome, John. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
And that, my friends, is a perfect example of a polite, simple phone call in English.
Yes, it's easy when you know what to say.
Exactly. Practice makes it natural. Now, let's review what we learned today.
We started with greetings. Hello, good morning, this is Mateo.
Then we practiced numbers, 1 to 10, and phone numbers.
We learned days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
We talked about objects, phone, charger, earphones, then food and drinks, coffee, tea, water, sandwich, and finally, daily activities. Wake up, go to work, talk on the phone.
And we finished with a full conversation.
Exactly. Now everyone repeat after us one last time. Hello, this is John. How are you? My number is 555-2108. Can I call you on Monday?
Have a good day.
Hello, this is John. How are you? My number is 555-2108. Can I call you on Monday?
Have a good day.
Excellent. Now you can answer the phone in English.
Yes, and sound polite and confident.
Thanks, Mateo, and thank you, listeners, for learning with us today.
See you next time on Easy English with John and Mateo.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.